All right.
Sound good?
I mean, I'll follow your lead. I'm dressed. I'm about ready to walk out the door. So I'll see you in like 2 seconds.
Oh yeah, I'm just grabbing my tool bag and the hand truck.
All right. So it's about 6:45 in the morning, and my brother and I are about to go down to South Jersey to help my parents out. They're trying to put up some shelving and other storage systems in their shed, and they need our help. Time to hit the road. Nice. So I wore layers. I don't know about you.
I wore layers too.
I have shorts underneath this.
Oh, well, you're interesting.
I need coffee or caffeine and some food. I just want a breakfast sandwich and a coffee.
Okay.
But their coffee's always like molten lava.
Yeah. Yeah, could I get... You don't want a hash brown?
John, here's $5. Just take the money.
No.
Yes.
You're fine.
Take the money. Little brothers.
Thank you. Great.
All right, now we got everything. All right, time to eat breakfast.
Woke up this morning. Got choked up.
Hash browns. We've reached the suburbs.
I am so sorry for
Now it's just time to put up this FastTrack system so that they can hang a bunch of tools and things like that. And then once we get all of that FastTrack in there, we got to move all of that in. All right, we're almost done. Just got to put a couple of things into the shed and then head home.
Wow, look at the storage and how exciting. I can walk in here and not bang my head. Thank you so much. This is fabulous. And it looks wonderful. Thanks so much. See you next time.
My feet are killing me. I didn't even walk.
We used to be this tall. We are no longer that tall. Try shooting this yet?
No.
It was fun.
Where it's like, oh, everything's crazy, and then you just cut.